I'm back again. Chapter 4, Reproductive Health, video number 3. आप सब ने अभी तक मेरा वीडियो 1 and वीडियो 2 ज़रूर देखा होगा. In the last video, in video 2 of this chapter, I had explained about different types of birth control. And in this video, I am going to take the topic medical termination of pregnancy and sexually transmitted diseases. What is medical termination of pregnancy commonly known as? Do you know? It is commonly known as abortion. How do you define it? It is an intentional or voluntary removal of pregnancy before the full term that is known as abortion. You must be thinking that abortion is not legalized. No, students, abortion is legalized by Government of India in 1971, but under strict conditions to avoid misuse. If these conditions are not fulfilled by the doctors can get punished, their degrees can be taken away. And what are the conditions under which one can go for MTP? The first condition is failure of contraceptive used during coitus. Second, when continued pregnancy is harmful or fatal to either mother or fetus or both. Then a female can undergo abortions. Or in rape cases, the female may undergo MTP. But undergoing MTP is safe only during first trimester, that means in the first 3 months. After that, it is not safe to undergo MTP. Now let's talk about sexually transmitted diseases. In short, it is known as STDs. Now, how do you define it? It is an infection or a disease that is transmitted through sexual intercourse, are collectively known as sexually transmitted diseases, STD. The other name for STD is venereal disease, that is VD, or reproductive tract infection, RTI. Some of the examples of STDs are gonorrhea, syphilis, genital herpes, chlamydiasis, genital warts, trichomoniasis, hepatitis B, and HIV. Now, these diseases can be viral or bacterial. Like gonorrhea, syphilis, they are bacterial. And HIV, you know that genital warts, these two are viral. Now, what are the early symptoms of STDs? Itching in the private parts, fluid discharge, slight pain, swelling in the genital region. If a person sees these symptoms and should go to the doctor, it is curable. But generally what happens, students, we overlook it. And if we overlook it, we don't take care of personal hygiene, and these symptoms are there, these symptoms may lead to some complications. And what are the complications? Like pelvic inflammatory disease, PID. If a pregnant woman is going through these symptoms, then abortion can take place. Then there may be stillbirths, ectopic pregnancy, infertility, or even cancer to the reproductive tract. Now, how is the transmission of hepatitis B and HIV take place? The transmission of hepatitis B and HIV no doubt takes place through sexually intercourse, which we have just discussed in the definition. But with that, it can also be transmitted through sharing of injection of needles or surgical instrument with infected person, transfusion of infected blood, transfer from infected mother to fetus through placenta. Now let's talk about how we can prevent this STD. We can prevent an STD by avoiding sex with unknown partners or avoiding sex with multiple partners. Use of condom also prevents STD. No other birth control method can prevent STD. Now, whenever you see these symptoms, contact a qualified doctor for any doubt at the early stage of infection. And if you do so, then it is curable. Thank you.